Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So for today's look, actually what happened was that I started this model's makeup but not knowing that she sweats a lot. She has oily nose. Let me show you a picture. We started the makeup and everything started smudging. I was removing everything. I applied powder there on her nose and the makeup started shifting. Can you see that? So for today we will be treating, so I decided to do a video on how to stop foundation from rubbing off your nose. Just keep watching. Welcome back guys. Can you see? I'm just cleaning off the makeup. We started everything and then boom, she started sweating. Her nose started getting oily. I decided to apply powder up on her nose and everything started shifting. So I decided to say, okay, fine, maybe somebody might need to see this video. So I decided to start to just work on that because I've worked on a client like this before. So first of all, I used my Zikel setting spray to hydrate her skin first. That's what you need. She has oily skin, so I don't want to apply too much moisturizer. So I applied the moisturizer around all over her face. I did not touch the nose. I avoided touching the nose area. Then moving on, you want to stay away from a silicone base primer. That primer that looks like you see it very white, so you want to go for a cream based primer. That's what I did, and I applied just a little bit on her nose and went all over her face with the remaining primer. It's a mattifying primer. Actually, we have silicone based primers that are mattifying, so you don't want to do silicone base. So I decided to use this cream base primer, this Rimmel London cream base primer on her face. So moving on, I'll be going in with the foundation, the Zikel foundation. I'm using 2 shades because of her skin undertone. I started applying the foundation. Can you see? I did not apply foundation on her nose. I avoided that part. Moving on to the nose, I used a translucent powder, or if you have a setting powder, I dabbed that all over her nose using my powder brush, my small powder brush. I applied the setting powder all over her nose area just to avoid the oil and also the sweats. So can you see that? I just applied the setting powder and going in with my beauty blender. I did not apply more foundation. I just went in with the beauty blender. That's the remnants of the foundation from the face, the one remaining. I just used that to blend it all over her skin. And can you see how perfect her skin is now with all the coverage? Then you have to avoid applying concealer on the nose. You want to go powder highlight. You want to go with a powder contour, not with the cream contour. You want to avoid anything cream on the nose because she's already producing her natural oil, so you don't want to have that oil again up there. So I'll not be highlighting her nose using the cream concealer. I'll just be highlighting her face, her forehead and her chin. I'll later be going in. Just keep watching guys.
Time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope.
So fast forward. Moving on, I'll be using only powder for my highlights. That's on the nose. I'll be using the Espon powder, setting powder. I'll be applying that on the highlighted area of her face where I highlighted before, with the concealer. So for her nose, I'll still be using the setting powder, because guys, remember I told you we will be we'll be doing a powder contour and also a powder highlight on the nose. So just keep watching, guys.
Don't listen to the hollow words. Don't fall into their hands.
So I'll be setting her whole face using the powder palette from Bicham Age. I'll be using the chunky glitters from Sopro Cosmetics and also the Luster Cosmetics body glue. I'll be applying the glue now. Then moving on, I'll be using 2 shades of chunky glitters. I'll be applying that all over her crease too.
I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby.
So we are already at the part where I will contour the nose using a darker shade of powder, and also highlight the nose using her shade of powder, and that's it. Her makeup will last as long as she dances, or as long as whatever she does under the sun, under anywhere. The makeup will last, and her nose will be less oily, or let's say not oily at all, because before, when I started the makeup, it started creasing up around the nose. She started producing oil from her nose, and everything just went from bad to worst. So I decided to apply powder on the nose, and boom, everything just scattered. So as you can see, can you see, up to when we finished the makeup, the nose was still intact and nothing happened to her nose. So guys, if this was helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. Enjoy the video, guys. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you for watching, and thank you for always being there. I love you guys so much. Bye.
I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever after. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes
Love the way you dey dance,